This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 9, oven, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, Slideout, external shower, stove top burner, air conditioning, refrigerator, spare tire kit, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is 7,980 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.